The first thing I'm going to do is just grab two of these glasses and attach them together. You could use E6000 for the attachment. I'm just going to use the hot glue for the purpose of the video so it could dry faster. Then you're going to attach them together. Then you're going to go ahead and grab your flowers. I'm just going to take the flower from the top out and then just put my beads inside, and I'm gonna do this all around it until I get like 4 strings. If you want more, you could just add it up and then just place your flowers on top just like that. Super cute. Then I went ahead and grabbed one of these big plates and this round mirrors and I put it on top with my centerpiece, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and make a few candle holder and put my candle inside to make it look super cute and simple. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This is a wedding that I'm doing. I cannot wait to show you how everything turns out. So I did these few DIYs or a few little things, and then I can't wait to show you the whole thing, how everything turns out. Then I went and grabbed these from Dollar Tree and I'm just gonna take it apart and spray paint it. Then I grabbed my flower branch. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it apart. I will put the link where you could get these. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my hot glue and put some hot glue at the end of the branches and attach it to my circle, just like that. You guys just press it down a little bit and then just go ahead and put it all the way around just like that until you reach into the end. And then right here, just put a little bit of hot glue again and attach it. And then you're gonna go ahead and grab your other branch and do the same thing that we did before. Just put some hot glue and hold it in place. Make sure to hold it for a little bit until it attached, and then once it attached, then just go ahead and fold it around just like that, but make sure to hold it in place first. And then just gonna go ahead and do the following step until you're done with the whole thing. Once you're done, just go ahead and I'm gonna take this string. I use this fish string, but you could use clear one. So if you don't want it to show, this one won't show. You could a ribbon, whatever you decide to put here. Just go ahead and attach it to all 4 sizes on each size, and then just go ahead and grab all of them together and just make a knob on top, and this is how you're gonna hold it to the wall. Then I went ahead and grabbed these flowers that they came like that, like little branch together, but I'm just gonna take them apart and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it all around my ring, and I'm just gonna put some hot glue and make sure to attach all of them together one by one, and make sure when you attach them to hold it in place for a little while so they get attached good. Then I took this light bulb from the Dollar Tree and it's super cute. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it apart and take this string out. I'm gonna use a toothpick and I'm just gonna go ahead and tie the string on top, but first you have to measure to make sure it fit. Then once you cut it, then just gonna go ahead and attach the string into the toothpick just like that. Just make sure to double knot it so it don't come apart. Then cut the extra string and then just put it through your little inside hole, and then just put it like that and just close it, and then you have your little cute light that you're gonna hang with the string. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. It will look super cute. I can't wait to show you the whole thing, how the whole setup turns out. This is something that I'm doing in a rush, like in 2 weeks, so you will definitely see it. For the next DIY, I wanted to make a sign, those circle signs. When I went ahead and grabbed some foam board and I took this ring and I'm just gonna make it into a circle. I'm gonna take this clear paper. I wanted it to look like it's plastic, so I wanted to put this on top. So the way I'm gonna do it, just cut it all the way around like a circle, just like that. So just go ahead and cut it all the way around. Then grab your hot glue and put a little bit of glue and just attach it to your circle. And you're gonna continue doing this, attaching it until you've done the whole circle. Once you've done the whole circle, you're gonna grab your scissor and then just cut out those extras paper that you have, so that won't show. So just go around it and cut all the way around until you don't have anything to show, just like that, you guys. And look how cute it turns out. Then I went ahead and grabbed my circle that I did, the foam board, and I'm going to attach it to this ring. So just go ahead and grab your hot glue and start putting some hot glue inside, just like that, until you go all the way around and you do the whole circle and you attach the ring into your foam board. Then once you attach your ring to your foam board, I took this light and I'm gonna go ahead and attach it to my ring. So just go ahead and grab your hot glue and attach it all the way around like that. Just put a little bit of hot glue, hold it in place so it could dry it up, and then just continue doing it like that until you do the whole circle. Once you're done with the whole circle that you put the light, put it the little extra piece and just attach it to the back. And then just go ahead, I cut this out. You could buy this, you could buy it in Etsy or any places that they sell a sticker, whatever you want to put here. Then I put some cute flower on top, and this is how cute it turns out, you guys. It came out super cute. I love it how it turns out. I cannot wait to share the whole decorations with you guys. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching Special Creations by Nell.